me free. Silent waves and open air, peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head, all the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade, every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. The horizon calm like a healing balm. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. The horizon calm, safe within your palm. Feel the ocean breeze bring you to your ease. Guitar whispers through the air, simple notes without a care. Bass line deep but barely there, still you feel it everywhere. Every moment stretching wide, like the endless open tide. In the stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand life is more than we had planned. Calm horizon, memory, soft sand, footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through my hands, echoes of a distant time still replay inside my mind. Ocean breeze just brings it back, every feeling that I lack. Golden days and endless Nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years. In this rhythm we can see what will always be. Time may fade, but love remains, flowing through like summer rain. In the time we understand, nothing's ever out of hand. Memory drift away. Oh. Yeah, listen close. Waves don't lie. Waves roll in, tell the truth. Every feeling breaking through. No more hiding, no disguise. See it clear in ocean eyes. Sunlight dancing on the sea. Feels like it's calling me. Every step I take is right, guided by the golden light. Hear the sound, feel the flow. There's a truth you always know. In the tide, in the sky, nothing here can tell a lie. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, no disguise. See the truth in open sky. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Steel drums singing in the breeze, carrying that honesty. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, cuts through everything between. Bassline deep just like the sea, holding raw reality. Every note just speaks to you. Simple, honest, pure and true. Let it wash away the fade. Every wall begins to break. In this rhythm you will find truth was always in your mind. Waves don't lie, let it how it's meant to be. Take it easy, don't rush. Feel the calm, feel the hush. Every moment passing by, like a dream you can't deny. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the light and shade. Steel drum whisper in the breeze, carrying that melody. Bassline deep and rolling low, like a place you always know. Nothing here to complicate. No more pressure, no more weight. Just the rhythm, just the sound. Peace is finally found. Time absorbs into the air. No more burdens left to bear. In this moment we can see life is simple, wild and free. Slow, slow motion, pure eyes. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the light and shade. Slow motion, motion, paradise.
Yeah. Golden hour. Let it drip. Sun goes down in slow motion. Colors dancing on the ocean. Every second feeling right. Wrapped in soft and fading light. Gentle breeze across my face. Time just slows in this space. No more noise, no more rush. Just this calm, just this hush. Let it drip, let it flow. There's no place we gotta go. Feel the rhythm, take it slow. Let the island take control. Golden hour drip, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drip, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. unseen. Baseline, deep like ocean floor, pulling us to want it more. Footsteps dancing in the sand, moving close, hand in hand. Island night, pure delight. Hold this moment tight. Time don't matter anymore. Lost in waves upon the shore. Hearts align without a sound. In this rhythm we are found. Slow, midnight glow. Slow, midnight island glow. Moving nice and slow. Let the music play till the break of day. Midnight island glow. Let your feelings show. Under moonlight sky, see it in your eyes. Drifting on a sunny line, leaving all the world behind. Simple rhythm, simple tone, feels like I am finally home. Ocean breeze and golden light, everything just feels so right. Every second on repeat, moving gently with the beat. Let it loop, let it play, take your mind far away. Feel the vibe, feel the sound, let it spin you around. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a swooning wine. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line, floating through your mind. Guitar skank just keeps it tight, rolling softly day to night. Bassline smooth and never stops, like the tide it always drops. Nothing changes, that's the key. In this loop you feel so free. Same vibe, different day, let it carry you away. Round and round the feeling goes, like a song you always know. In this cycle you can see, this is pure simplicity. Loop again, again. singing with the bass. Feel the rhythm in this place. Every step and every move, locked into that island groove. Sun above, no clouds in sight. Everything just feels so right. Let it take control of you. Nothing else you gotta do. Feel it rise, feel it fall. Let the rhythm take it all. No more thinking, just the vibe. Let your body come alive. Island heartbeat flow. Let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest. This is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow. Let your spirit glow. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Guitar skank so crisp and clean, dancing through the sunny scene. Steel drums add a little spark, lighting up inside your heart. Bassline bouncing nice and round, spreading love without a sound. Every moment feels so free. That's the island energy. No beginning, no end, just the rhythm we depend. In this groove we understand. Life is better on unplanned. Island heartbeat flow. Let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest. This is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow. Let your spirit glow. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Heartbeat flow. Let it go. 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 Endless summer drift away. Days that never seem to end, moments we don't need to mend. Ocean whispers soft and low, telling us to just let go. Sky so wide, so open blue. Every dream feels close to you. In this drift we lose all time. Everything just feels alive. Close your eyes, feel it near. Nothing else but now and here. Let it flow, let it be, drifting in eternity. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift, moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Guitar fades away, still the feeling wants to stay. Bassline deep but soft and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every second slow and wide, floating with the turning tide. In this calm you understand, Life is more than we had planned. Let it fade into the light. Hold the feeling nice and tight. In this dream we finally see what it means to just be free. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Drift away, slow. Drift away, slow. Yeah, gather round. Beachside vibe. Friends around, the vibe is right. Laughing in the fading light. Ocean breeze and music loud. Good energy inside the crowd. Sun goes down, but we don't stop. Feel the rhythm as it drops. Every smile, every move, locked into that island groove. Hands up high, feel the beat. Sand beneath your dancing feet. Let it go, feel the sound. Good vibes going all around. Beachside groove session, pure connection. Feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Yeah. Beachside groove session, no regression. Let the music play till the break of day. Yeah. Steel drums lighting up the scene, adding colors in between. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, moving through the night so smooth. Bassline heavy but relaxed, keeping every moment intact. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. Under stars we come alive, in this groove we all survive. Every heartbeat feels so true, sharing this with me and you. Beachside groove session, feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Yeah. Beachside groove session, no regression. Let the music play till the break of day. Yeah. All night. Yeah. All night. Slow time, yeah. Reflection, quiet waves upon the shore teach me what I'm looking for. In the silence I can hear everything becomes so clear. Sky reflecting in the sea like a mirror back at me.
every thought begins to slow, letting deeper feelings grow. Take a breath, let it be. There's no need to overthink. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Calm tide reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide like a gentle tide. Calm tide reflections, pure connections. Feel it deep inside. Let your spirit guide. Soft guitar just paints the air, simple notes without a care. Bassline steady, low and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every moment feels so real, every breath begins to heal. Island time is all I need, set my soul at ease. Let the past just fade away, live within the now today. In this flow we understand, life is more than we had planned. Slow tide, let it ride. Calm tide reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide like a gentle tide. Calm tide reflections, pure connections. Feel it deep inside. Let your spirit guide. Let it ride. There's a place that sets me free. Silent waves and open air. Peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head. All the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade. Every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Blue horizon, calm. see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand life is more than we had planned.
Reflections dancing in my eyes. Morning breeze so soft and light. Everything just feels so right. Waves are calling from the shore, like a song I can't ignore. Every step feels calm and free. Island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise. Feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Drums ringing soft and clear, melody you wanna hear. Guitar skank so clean and bright, grooving gently with the light. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like a river steady flow. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. New day, new way, let the sunshine lead the way. In this glow, we can see life is simple, wild and free. Morning flow, let it glow. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. drums lighting up the scene, adding colors in between. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, moving through the night so smooth. Bassline heavy but relaxed, keeping every moment tact. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. Under stars we come alive, in this groove we all survive. Every heartbeat feels so true, sharing this with me and you. Beachside groove session, pure connection. Feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Beachside groove session, no regression. Let the music play till the break of day. All night night. All night night. Neon light, island night, yeah. Palm trees growing in the dark, neon colors leave a mark. Ocean shining black and blue, all I see is me and you. Midnight breeze, electric air, music floating everywhere. Slow motion in the sand, reaching out your hand. Feel the vibe, feel the heat, heartbeat sinking with the beat. No control, let it go, let the night just take you slow. Island neon night, under flashing lights. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Island neon nights, everything feels right. Move your body free in this energy. Echo guitar and delay, floating through the night this way. Bassline heavy, smooth and deep, pulling secrets that we keep. Every step just feels alive, leaving all the world behind. In this glow we come alive, feel the midnight vibe. Time dissolves into the sound, no more edges, no more ground. In the space we're drifting free, lost in pure intensity. Island neon nights, under flashing lights. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Island neon nights, everything feels right. Move your body free in this energy. every feeling breaking through. No more hiding, no disguise. See it clear in ocean eyes. Sunlight dancing on the sea. Feels like it's calling me. Every step I take is right, guided by the golden light. Hear the sound, feel the flow. There's a truth you always know. In the tide, in the sky, nothing here can tell a lie. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, no disguise. See the truth in open skies. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Steel drums singing in the breeze, carrying that honesty. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, cuts through everything between. Bassline deep just like the sea, holding raw reality. Every note just speaks to you. Simple, honest, pure and true. Let it wash away the fade. Every wall begins to break. In this rhythm you will find truth was always in your mind.